Hello, welcome to IT Tech Zone. So we have downloaded and installed the Raspbian OS to our Raspberry Pi. So after install, it will ask few details. So it will ask like where you are, that means which country you are from and the date and time, and it will ask Wi-Fi setup, and it will ask a free pre-built software setups. So you have to update the softwares. So this is a first initial setup. Once you can set up all those things, you can open your Raspberry Pi through three modes. One is a you can go with VNC Viewer, and you can select VNC Viewer. So while install the Raspberry Pi, it will ask username and password. You can enter Pi and your password as a Pi. And if you see here, this is a Raspberry Pi first window. This is a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and VNC Viewer, and this is a speaker. So here we can view, that means we can check audio things. So this is a browser, Chromium web browser, and this is a shell window, terminal window, and this is a folder structure. This is a menu, and here we do have LibreOffice. You can work on PPT and Word, all the stuff we can work here using this LibreOffice. And this is a internet. If you'll see here, this is a Chromium browser. We can connect Gmail or anything, whatever things we are working on Windows, we can do it here also. And these are few more settings, sounds and graphics as, and this is an important thing, programming. So if you'll see here, these are all IDE, integrated development environment, available. So this we are going to see one by one. So if you'll see here, already I have set up and open the Raspberry Pi. So I'm going to check our temperature sensor data, whether data is pinging or not. So if you'll see here, this is a file, temperature.py. This is a Python file. So I'm going to open into Jenny IDE. So upcoming videos, I'll go through code one by one, line by line, and here I'm going to see compile and build, execute. So data is pinging properly. My room temperature is 31.437. So this is a one way to connect Raspberry Pi and check the data. Second way, go to run and MSTSC. It will open remote desktop connection. Connect. It will ask username and password. Pi, and OK. Click on OK. So this is our Raspberry Pi desktop. So again, I'm going to open this temp.py file. Right click and Jenny IDE, compile, execute. So if we'll see here, again I'm getting proper temperature data, room temperature data. So this is a second way to connect Raspberry Pi. So I'm going to connect another way using PuTTY. So required IP address 192.68.6. So it will ask username and password. So it has connected my Raspberry Pi window. You'll see here, this is desktop, music and templates. All the content is showing, that means all the data is showing. I'm going desktop and type on ls. So I have temp.py file, python 3 temp.py. So here also I'm getting my room temperature. So this is what we can connect Raspberry Pi and we can check the data. First initial phase we have done. We are going to push this data to Azure IoT Hub. This is next video. We are going to see upcoming videos all the remaining services, Azure services. Thank you. Stay tuned.